Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a simple mathematics tricks when you come across two fractions and you want to know which between them is greater than the other. Here, for instance, we have two fractions, 3 over 12 and 5 over 22. If you want to simply know which between these two fractions is greater than the other, simply write it down. 3 over 12 like this, and write the other fraction to 5 over what? 22. By this, you pick the numerator for the first fraction, that is the 3, this one, and multiply it by the denominator of the second one, which is what? 22. So here, 3 times 22, this will give you 66. So you write the 66 at what? The left hand side, that is around the 3. And you pick the numerator for the second fraction, the 5, and multiply it by the denominator of what? The first fraction, that is 5 multiplied by 12. And this is going to give you 60. So you write the 62 here. Now you have 66 for this and 60 for this one. So 66 for here, 60 for here. Among these two, or between these two, which one is great? Is the 66, which is greater. That means that 3 over 12 is greater than 5 over 22. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.